The United Methodist Church has been a long advocate for immigrant rights. We've worked diligently together for comprehensive immigration reform in the U.S. and for the rights of migrants globally. But this is crisis time. With the executive orders of President Trump, we find that immigrants are fearful. They're having to go even deeper into the shadows of life. We are aware of the fact that some DACA students have committed suicide because of their despair. They're feeling that there's nothing else that they can do to be legitimate in this U.S. society. It is crisis time, and my hope and prayer is that the United Methodist Church will respond with its compassionate heart, with its awareness of the fact that we are all children of God, that migration is a global reality. It's an opportunity as well for the church to be the church. And so there are many ways we can respond. We can be sanctuary for immigrant families who are in fear of deportation. Local churches can choose to declare to be sanctuaries. They can do it with the assistance of neighboring churches, other United Methodist churches, or churches of other communions, other denominations. We ourselves can be sanctuary for immigrants. If we see a person who's been detained by a local police officer, and the questioning seems to be because they're suspected of being an immigrant, we can stand up with them. Sometimes our immigrant brothers and sisters don't know their rights. They have a right to be here. They have a right to due process. They have a right to not be questioned on the street. And so we can stand with them and say, may I help you? Can I interpret for you? May I take you to my church to gather some information about what you need to do in this situation? So we can be sanctuary in a number of ways. And I pray that indeed the United Methodist Church will be a sanctuary for immigrant men, women, and children, young people in this day.